If you're gaming on an Nvidia graphics card and you've been running into low FPS, stuttering, or even screen tearing in 2025, you're definitely not alone. These issues can happen even on powerful PCs. It's just a matter of settings and optimization. In this guide, I'll walk you through the best and most up-to-date methods to fix low FPS, smooth out stutters, and eliminate screen tearing so your games look and feel as fluid as possible. Start by making sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Press the Windows key and type Nvidia app. Open it, log in if needed, and head to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates and install the latest game-ready driver. Nvidia constantly releases performance fixes and optimizations for new titles, so keeping drivers current is the foundation for stable FPS and reduced stutter. Once your drivers are up to date, right-click on your desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. This is where we'll fix most of the issues. Inside the control panel, click Manage 3D Settings on the left. Make sure you're on the Global Settings tab so changes apply system-wide, though you can also set them per game if you prefer. Scroll down to Power Management mode. By default, it may be set to Optimal Power or Adaptive, which allows the GPU to downclock to save energy. For gaming, switch this to prefer maximum performance. This forces your GPU to run at its full clock speeds under load, which eliminates sudden dips that cause FPS drops or micro stutters. Next, find Low Latency mode. Set this to On. In some competitive games, you can experiment with Ultra, but On is the safest balance to reduce input lag and improve responsiveness. This setting makes frames get rendered just in time, which smooths gameplay and lowers the chance of stuttering when the frame rates fluctuate. Now scroll to Vertical Sync. This is directly related to screen tearing. If you don't use G-Sync or FreeSync, enabling V-Sync here can prevent tearing by syncing frames with your monitor's refresh rate. But if you do have a G-Sync compatible monitor, keep V-Sync off in the Nvidia control panel and instead will enable G-Sync separately. While still in Manage 3D settings, scroll down to Texture Filtering Quality. Change this from Quality to High Performance. This reduces some background texture processing that isn't visually noticeable, but frees up GPU resources for higher FPS. Another key option is Threaded Optimization. Make sure this is set to On. It allows the driver to use multiple CPU cores for graphics workloads, which improves performance in modern games that can use more threads. When you're done with these settings, click Apply in the bottom right to lock them in. Now let's adjust Windows itself. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable any unnecessary programs that run in the background. Having apps like Discord overlays, browsers, or launchers consuming resources can reduce available CPU and GPU power for your game, which leads to FPS drops. Next, press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to System, then Display, and under Graphics Settings, make sure Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is turned on. This feature reduces latency by letting your GPU manage its own memory directly. After toggling it, restart your PC to apply the change. In the same Graphics Settings menu, click Browse under Graphics Performance Preference. Add your main game executables, then set them to high performance. This forces Windows to always use your Nvidia GPU instead of the integrated one, which can sometimes cause FPS issues if Windows picks the wrong GPU. Another important fix is to set your Windows power plan correctly. Press Windows key, type Edit Power Plan, and then click Power Options. Choose high performance, or if available, ultimate performance. Then go into advanced power settings, expand processor power management, and set both minimum and maximum processor state to 100%. This ensures your CPU doesn't throttle mid-game, which can cause stutters or FPS drops when paired with your GPU. Now let's talk about refresh rate. Right-click your desktop, go to Display Settings, then Advanced Display. Make sure your monitor is set to its maximum refresh rate, whether that's 120, 144, 165, or higher. Running games at a lower refresh rate than your monitor supports will not only cause screen tearing but also limit the smoothness you can achieve. If you're still noticing stutters, disable in-game overlays. GeForce Experience, Discord, Steam, and even Xbox Game Bar can cause frame pacing issues. Go into each app's settings and turn off their overlays unless you absolutely need them. Open Nvidia Control Panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, find Max Frame Rate, and enable it. Set the limit just below your monitor's refresh rate. For example, if you have a 144 Hz display, set the cap to 141 FPS. This keeps the GPU in sync with the monitor and prevents tearing without introducing much input lag. These fixes don't just apply to one or two games, they improve your experience across everything you play. With your Nvidia GPU now properly optimized, you'll be able to enjoy your games the way they were meant to be played: fast, smooth, and tear-free.